Hello and welcome to Studio C. Today we're going to take you through a quick little class on turnout. And we are here with our resident ballet teacher. This is
Bertha Suarez.
Bertha Suarez. And
Kim.
Just Kim. It's good. All right. So Bertha is going to take Kim through the turnout. She's going to demonstrate for us the proper way of turning out so that when you go into class, you know how to work your body and how to work your turnout. So, without further ado, Bertha is going to now demonstrate with Kim how it goes. So go ahead, Bertha, take it away.
So we face the bar with feet together, and then we're going to rotate, we do rotation from the hips. There you go. Okay, so toes goes out. Whatever your body can do, just go. Don't do any force or anything like that. Whatever your body feels comfortable, okay? And then make sure you squeeze your hips in, feel them wrapping around your legs, torso go forward. So make sure you don't do in like this. You have to put in, tailbone in, and then up, all the way up. And 2 inches taller from the hips to the ribs. And feel the spine stretch all the way forward, and then open chest. Now you have to make sure, feel the feet on the ground, make sure light on the heels, and then leave the toes on the back. So you arch, always have to breathe. So you can land on the arch, okay? So you lift arch and wrap around and squeeze the hips all the way in and up and taller, all the way up. Then when you feel that, it's very difficult for some people. So from there now, we're just going to do plie. You're just going to plie down, but it's not bending your knee. You have to feel pressure on your toes. And then when you come out, you have to feel like you're pushing the floor very hard, like you want to jump practically. And then you feel the muscle. Now do that again, Kim. Bend your knees. Now when you come out, you have to feel like somebody's pushing those knees back, and then you push your pelvis forward and up taller. There you go. Very nice. And relax your shoulders. Very good. And all the time you have to hold it. You cannot just do it and stay there. You have to just hold your position all the time. Nothing, never. Only when they break. That's when you relax. Okay.
Well, there you go. All right, so let's quick recap. Here we go. Okay, Kim, 6th position. Here we go. So from the beginning, right?
Yep.
6th position. And rotate from the hips.
Nice.
Feel that. Yes.
Good.
And then squeeze and lift up in the center.
Shoulders down.
Shoulders down.
Very good.
Wrap.
And then wrap around before you do anything. So wrap in, bring it up, and taller. There you go. And make sure light on the heels and arch free. Now when you do the plie, you make sure your feet stay right there. And you need to go to plie. Go straight over your toes. One line together. So you cannot go on the big toes. Just all the way back.
So we know if our knees roll in, we're not doing it right.
No, you're going to get hurt. And then now when you stretch your legs, make sure you push knees back. Feel the pressure. There and there. Very good. That's it.
Voila. Well, there you go. So now you understand how to find your turnout and work with what you have and improve that. Don't overdo it because you'll end up with knee problems, ankle problems, whatever, bunions, all that stuff. So remember, pay close attention to what you're doing. Feel it from the hips, pull in, feel tall and lifted and light on the toes, and don't let the knees roll in. All right, thank you. Come back next time, we'll give you more details. Last time we were working on turnout, so now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the turnout in the positions. Now we all know there's 5 positions, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, but we're going to work from 1st to 2nd to 4th and 5th. Working your turnout and holding your legs properly, because each position is a little bit different and it feels a little bit different. So Bertha and Kim are going to demonstrate for us, and Bertha's going to take Kim through this. All right, so take it away, Bertha.
Okay, so first position, we do it with one arm, so we have to make sure this arm will stay around, never touching the body, over your chest, and make sure hold your hips all the way up and squeeze in, and your toes on the floor. Very good. Now from there, we're just going to go down here to the second, and then bring heel down. So that is the second position. It's different feelings in that position, okay? So you have to keep feeling the wrapping around the rotation and keep pushing pelvis in and taller. How that feels. feel it? Different position, right? And in second position, just feel light heels too. Very good. Now from there, you're going to dandy to the second and bring to the front to the fourth position. So what happens to the fourth position? When that foot goes down, make sure don't bring it in. From there, try to just make like a big fourth position. So it's more comfortable for some people to make it smaller, it's more tight. So from there, you have to make sure both hips are even, right? And then you have normally is heel to the toe with the toes and toes with the heels. So your body's one wall here, other wall here, so they are even. So we're gonna go fourth position open, have to be just all the way across. Yes? And then from there you have to make sure you don't arch. You have to make sure those hips go all the way in and make sure you still keep pushing those little toes back. That's very hard to do. And balance, you stay on the center. Your body stays on the center. Okay, now from there, you're going to point on the front. And then when you bring the leg in, you have to make sure this base push forward when the leg closes in and bring it up. So we don't go from here, we go forward. You push the base forward to wrap the other leg coming from Tandio. How that feel? Good, and then you have to feel pressure here, and always we have to make sure the back heel push a little more turn out, like pushing forward, pushing rotate more, like you can do more like there. Very good, and your hips have to go even, so your upper body doesn't really move much, just only legs, not even your hips, just your legs. And then now from there, Kim, just go releve to the sixth position, and
Wow.
Nice work.
Well, there you go. So it takes more and more strength as you go from second to fourth to fifth, and keeping the legs crossed. So from the fourth position, you just go right into fifth position, toe to heel, heel to toe.
Right.
But really, it takes a lot more of what it takes for you to work your body correctly with your own personal turnout. Don't be discouraged, just keep working on it, and you'll get there just like Kim, Bertha, and everyone else that's in the ballet world. All right, have fun, work on it, and get back.